calling all hype beasts. Hey guys, welcome to a new video on the channel. We're going to be talking about my favourite top 5 items of Supreme in 2018. We're going to jump off with the top 4 and then we're going to do some notable mentions and then we're going to end in the top 1. So yeah, let's get started. Number 5, we're going to talk about the CDG button-ups. This is Comme des Garçons Supreme collab. It's the button-up. This released in week 4, which was 13th of September, and it was part of the Fall Winter 18. The retail for it was £348 and the resale right now currently has dropped a bit, so it's £276 for resale. All it is a multicoloured shirt where it has a design on the centrepiece of the shirt, and when it comes to the arms and the back it's black, so it cuts it off and it makes it just looks very minimalistic in a sense, but there's a lot of patterns, a lot of abstracted content going on in the middle. You've got a Supreme branding really slightly up in the corner, you'll see it in the pictures somewhere. And it'll just have Supreme branding somewhere, but it's random shapes, it's abstract shapes, and I think that with the design it all works well, especially the colours. And I love how it just currently blacks out the sleeves and the back. On the back it has the Comme des Garçons and Supreme spell out, so as I said, it's not too heavily branded, very minimalistic, but it's an amazing design. And yeah, it's a definite cop when it comes down in price, because that's still too steep with StockX prices. So number 4, we're going to be talking about the TNF fleece in white and red. This was week 15 release. This released on the 29th of November in the Fall Winter 18 drop. It was a collab between Supreme and TNF, so the North Face. It also included Gondura and Gore-Tex. Working closely with Gore-Tex for a while, it's insane quality, especially for a fleece material, so they are definitely comfy. I've not got one on me. I genuinely wish I did, because I love it and I was going to get it, but I fell asleep, so I couldn't get it. It's very minimalistic, just with the Contura branding, Gore-Tex branding, and the Supreme and North Face branding down the sleeve. The retail for this was a £318 for the size large, and the resale for it is £687 on StockX for the size large. There'll be pictures throughout the video just explaining everything that's happened, like everything that's on StockX and the prices and stuff. Thirdly, we're going to be talking about the CDG sweater. So this is the one that released in tan, but there's also a red and a black one. The tan one. The tan one is the one I like. The retail for it was £168 and the resale is going insane right now. £599 in size large. This released on week 4, Fall Winter 18. This was the 13th of September. It was an extremely hype piece along with the button up and stuff that I've previously spoke about. The design is really branded, so there's 3 different colours. On the tan it's the black Supreme and Comme des Garçons spell out on the chest area. On the red it's the black also, and on the black one it's white branding. And they're all look insane, but I feel like the tan one's definitely the nicest, and the tan one's the one that's popping off the most right now. The black one's going for £469 in large, and the red one in large is going for £389. This is all size larges on StockX. The branding is minimalistic in a sense, where it's just that branding and that's it. It's an upper that looks scored. I'm not sure if it is or not. I've not got my hands on them. I wish I did, because this is one of the pieces I wanted to pick up, but I didn't because I slipped in. What a surprise!
Okay, that is it. This is the final straw.
Sad boy. Right. Secondly, so number 2 on the list is the Jacquard logo crew neck. I don't think I said that right, but I should say it is. It's the pink one. It pops off. It's actually not doing so well in resale, but in a sense I'm going to pick it up eventually because it's insane. I wanted to pick it up, but again I think I slept in or I was at school that week. This released week 11 of SS18. The date was the 3rd of May. The retail for it was £118 and the resale was £142. It's all over Supreme branding, so the pink one has the white writing with all the pink upper material. It's a fleece material. I think it's cotton. The branding is just in like an italic font. It's all white branding in an italic font. Spell out heaven in a sense, but it's a nice piece. I don't usually go for much spell out items, although some spell out items can be good, like bottles, etc. if you're going for resale or if you try to flex, you know. The whole design of it, so the pink and white goes perfectly well with each other, because usually with pink you wear white, as it goes a lot better with it. So we're going to jump into some notable mentions just before we jump into number one, so I can keep you guys waiting. I know you guys are thirsty, but just wait a sec. So I have a long list of notable mentions. So first we're going to talk about the newsprint sweatpants. These were in week 12, fall winter 18. The retail for them was £109 and the resale is £179. It's insanely hyped in a sense. They sold it quite fast when a lot of people didn't think they were going to, but it's just similar to the newsprint sweater, which we'll see later in a bit. The TNF Expedition jacket, this was released in fall winter 18, week 15. The retail for it was £478 and the resale was £808. This is for the white and red one, the one that's popping off the most. It's the most insane colourway of it. It's an insane hyped item and I love it, but I couldn't get it because I'm bad at copying. The Fear of the Black Planet sweater, this is the Public Enemy undercover collab. This was week 4 of spring summer 18. The retail for this was £168 and the resale is £133 as we speak in size large, so I'll definitely be copying that soon. All it is just a black sweater with the yellow Fear of the Black Planet on it, all over print. Patches denim trucker jacket, this released in week 13 of spring summer 18. The retail for it was £378 and this is the light denim colour, not the black one. And the resale right now is £310, so it's going down in resale. Hopefully it keeps going down so I can cop it. A couple more. The Lacoste wool varsity jacket, week 9 spring summer 18, retailed for £328 and the resale right now is £234. I'll be copying this soon, hopefully, if it goes down a bit more. I keep saying this in the video, but your boy's a uni boy, he's poor, he needs the drops in the resale, please, thank you. We're going to be talking about the WU-TANG tee. I have the WU-TANG tee here right now, but it's in the white colourway and not in the black colourway. It's an extremely insane piece. All it is just a Liquid Swords album cover onto the tee. One of the best albums, not the best, but one of the best. And it also has the basic instructions before leaving Earth. So this is one of the best songs on the album. It's Bible, insane. So the black colourway is one of the nicest ones, but I was only able to cop the white one. And this released in week 5, fall winter 18. The retail was £44 and the resale for the black one in large is £71. The New York waffle thermal in the white colourway, this released in week 13, fall winter 18. The retail for it was £89 and the resale is £92 right now. The Stormy tee, this was the whole Donald Trump situation.
Wrong.
Extremely hyped piece, this released in week 11, fall winter 18. The retail for it is £46 and the resale is £59 right now. So the resale right now is £59. The Marvin Gaye tee, this released in week 17, fall winter 18, and the retail for it was £48 and the resale is £49. The Blessed tee, week 14, fall winter 18, this is where they released the skate DVD and the tee with it. Insane piece, slept in again, surprise. Retailed at £46 and the resale is £63. So we're now jumping on to the number one item of this whole 2018 seasons. I love this piece, I'll always wear it, it's so good. I wish I copped it in a large, but I copped it in a medium. I regret it, but I can always get it in a large hopefully soon. Number one is the newsprint sweater in the off-white colourway. Wow. The retail for this was £138 and the resale right now in the size large is £217, so hopefully it comes down a bit so I can cop it in the large instead of the medium. Your boy's getting fit, you know.
Wait till you see the. No, 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 no. Look at the top of his head.
This released in week 1 of the fall winter 18, so that was the 20th of August. It has the red box logo up here, yeah, as well as the newsprints on it. It's an insane piece. Has a couple Easter eggs in the articles. So you've got the president is killed on the back here. You've got rocket to the moon explodes, and you've got a picture of the White House here, if you can see it, and then a figure standing in front of it. Not sure what that's supposed to mean yet, I'm still trying to look into it. So yeah, that's my favourite piece of the full 2018. If you guys have any different opinions, leave them in the comments below. If you guys liked the video, leave a like. If you disliked it, dislike it, and tell me why in the comments below, and I'll definitely try to work on everything, get this a lot better, and get the content a lot better. Your boy's recorded this and another video in the same day because he's being productive. So yeah, if you guys want to check out my other video I dealt with StockX, and that should be uploaded before this one, so if you've not seen that, go check it out after. There'll be a link in the description below. I'm very proud of it, and this is my first purchase of a StockX. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.